Welcome to freetradingvideos.com. Here we are again, D7 here. Looking at the SPY, this is the S&P Spiders. Going back, it's an ETF by the way, going back a few months here. This is a daily chart. And check this out, see these moving averages here? They started crossing right here about mid-June. Then they start fanning out. They fan out when they're aggressively trending down or aggressively trending up. So see how they're fanning out here? They're dropping, but look how these moving averages start to converge onto each other again right in here. Then the 50-day slamming down right into the midst of them. Anytime you have candlesticks caught up for an extended amount of time inside moving averages like we see here, you have consolidation. A lot of times you'll get triangles in this, especially symmetrical triangles. And these can be potentially very explosive, either direction if it's a symmetrical triangle. And let's take a look here at the SPX. Now this one I have a lot more lines on, as you see. And let me blow this up just a hair so we can really see this. Had this nice uptrend, resistance, support, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. Then we get this little triangle formation. See these two lines right there? And then a breakdown. Find nice support here. We found support and support back here. We come up, hit our head, and then drop. When we broke that support, bad things were to come. And check this out. A lot of times after you break support, you'll get an immediate little pop. What was acting as support, see this, support, then becomes resistance. And that's precisely where we're at right now. Now, we have the GDP, gross domestic product, coming out pre-market tomorrow morning at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, 1 hour before the markets open up. And that is pretty important little report coming out, and it can move the market either one way or the other. The other thing that we're keeping a very close eye on is the hurricane that's making its way north up towards, believe it or not, Louisiana yet again. Will it be another Katrina? Hard telling. We're a few days away from it. So anyway, it'd be interesting to see what happens Sunday and Monday in that case. If the weather continues to show it going that direction, it's going to significantly affect oil production in that area. And we could see some nice moves in oil stocks. And I'm holding a number of them as we speak, but I'm highly leveraged. So look at this. See all this? I mean, since about the beginning of August, we've been between 1300 and 1265. Look how many candlesticks we get in just this one little area right here. We're not moving. This is where most people get back their monies in sideways consolidation. Don't be that person. If you're a diehard day trader, you can find good moves like these big red candlesticks on these drops, great opportunities. And these big white candlesticks running up, great day trading opportunities. But if you don't day trade, best thing to do is either be on your hands or out of the markets during the sideways motion, or do something like covered calls or spreads if you're an options player, or hedge yourself like I'm hedging myself right now. I've got a number of longs going and bear ETFs, hedging myself in that condition. What am I waiting for? A break out above this resistance line right here. If we go up, I'll unload my bearish hedges and I'll be long. If we break down, especially this red line that I have here, it has acted as support and resistance a number of times. That puts us at 1265. If we break 1265, especially if we can break that 1260 area, down here in this area right there, it's anybody's guess where we're going to drop to, and I'll be big time bearish at that moment. So anyway, there you have it. Take care. Happy trading to you. And as always, make sure y'all never, ever, 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 ever trade without a stop loss.